Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's welcome 2021. Happy New Year guys. Compliments of the season. So today's video is about some of the best products I came across in the year 2020. So the first product is from my favorite Bath and Body Works. This is not the body wash or the cream I keep raving about. This is their hair mask. It's a smoothing hair mask. So basically this is how it looks. I've completely emptied everything. This is amazing. It makes your hair so soft, so nourished, and it has that light smell. It really sinks into your hair. Your hair smells good, your hair feels good. It's amazing. So basically it calls itself a hair mask, but this, if you read the instructions or the directions, it's not a hair mask. So this is a hair conditioner. After you wash your hair with shampoo, you just leave it in for about 5 to 7 minutes and rinse it off. So you can't be using this as a total mask where you mask your whole hair. No, this is just a conditioner, but a very, very big yes from me. I love this one. So the second product again is from Bath and Body Works. This is their body wash. This is a cult favorite. So if you guys have subscribed to my channel or are with me from the start of my YouTube journey, you guys already know how much I love Bath and Body Works. So this is one of them. This one is in the fragrance 1000 Wishes. This one's amazing. Go check it out. Then the third product is the Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. So this is what I have substituted instead of using a toner. I have been using rose water only, and I've completely stopped using a toner after I wash my face, because rose water and toner, I want to add something natural to my skincare than adding more chemicals. So you can see there's a tiny bottle of rose water there. That's a full one. This one's too empty already. I love it, I love it, I love it. I would highly recommend everyone, after they wash their face, put some rose water or just buy the spritz bottle of rose water and use it. It's amazing. You're going to see a difference and you're going to thank me later. The next product is the Lotus Herbal Sun Safe Sun. So this is a sunscreen. I've been using this since a long time, but during the lockdown we were all inside, and specifically it is important for everyone to know it is important to wear sunscreen even inside your house, because the sun rays are coming in. The UVB, the UVA does get through even when you have your windows shut, until you have your curtains covered and stuff like that. But anyway, so this is the packaging, and this is PA+++, SPF 50, UVA, UVB. This is you can just take a small drop of it and apply, and it sinks into your skin really well, and it's not at all sticky. It's very matte. So if you have oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, any of that, this product is going to work perfectly fine on you. So the next product on the list is by the OGX. This is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. I think I have already spoken about this product before. This is how it looks. It's completely empty. So this one's the extra penetrating oil. So basically use this after you wash your hair and towel dry it. Not completely dry, but your hair is still damp. You can just put 1 drop or 2 drop depending on how long your hair is. So I have very long hair, but my hair is more on the finer side. So I use only a little bigger than a pea size amount. So if you have long hair like me and it's pretty thick, so maybe you may need a little more. Depending on how much you need, you can use it, but of course don't put too much of it, because you want your hair to look soft and supple and nourished and not oily. So this one's a big yes again. The next one is a body wash by Le Vivel, and this is the lavender and almond oil. So I had got this. I think you guys must have seen my post previously. This one's nice. It's only 40 rupees, tiny, lasts a whole month. So if you're traveling, going out, this is a very good product to use. It's amazing because you don't have to carry those big bottles and roam around. You can just use this one. This is amazing. So the next product is the Sunsilk Conditioner. So I wanted to try very simple supermarket conditioners. So I was like one of the oldest I've come across maybe all my life is the Sunsilk, and I don't remember when I last used a Sunsilk product, so I went ahead and picked this one and I love it. This is amazing. This one's really good. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, maybe buying Bath and Body Work, or the first one I spoke about, or the next ones I'm going to talk about, you can just go ahead, buy this. Let me tell you how much this costs. This is like 140 bucks and the volume is 180. So for 180 ml you're paying only 140 rupees. That's cheap. That's really good. You also get this in smaller sizes, so if you want to travel with this, a big yes. It's amazing. I really like the one. You guys, if you really just go ahead and pick up any of the products I mentioned in this video, you are not going to be disappointed at all. So the next product again is a hair conditioner. This is by the L'Oreal, the Hair Spa collection for Smooth Revival Conditioner. So this is how it looks, and it's completely empty. Smells great, works well. It works well on dry hair, thin hair, mild hair, oily hair as well. So all you have to do is a pea-size amount, wash your hair, put it on, wait for 5 to 7 minutes and wash it off, and you're good to go. This is really good, and I think this must be costing a little bit more. Yeah, so this is 200 ml and this costs 380 rupees. So this is a little bit more compared to the Sunsilk, but this one's worth it as well. So your choice, guys. You guys can select anything you want. And then I have another conditioner which I love this year. So this year I was all about, minimal, because I was not going out. We were all under lockdown and stay away, stay safe, social distancing, all of that. So I did use a lot of hair care, skin care, and bath and body and all these things. So a lot of it will be around that only. So this one's the CD Expert Glycerol Nutrifier. This one's really nice, smells nice, but this smell can be a little strong. This does have extra fragrance added to it, so this smell is not for everyone. So it's a little bit strong. Even I find the smell a little strong, but if you use just a small amount, it works very well. It works very fine. But if you use too much of it, I think the smell may overpower, so that may not be a good thing. But a very nice product, works very well. So this costs 780 rupees and this is 250 ml. So this price is pretty expensive. And then there is this one. This one is not empty yet. I like this product a lot and I have been using this since a while. This is from the CD Expert Pro Keratin, and I don't have this, but I think it's the same cost. I've already used a lot of this. This smells so good. See, I've already used a lot of this, so I thought let me just show you guys about this one. So all these conditioners I spoke about, all are amazing. So they are at 3 different price points. Sunsilk is the cheapest, then I have the regular L'Oreal, the Hair Spa, and then the CD Expert collection of L'Oreal, and then the most expensive is the Bath and Body Works. You guys can select whatever you'll want to pick out from the hair conditioner line and go ahead and use. The other products are all there. I mentioned it, so go have a look at my video 1 million times. I'm going to put up all the details in the description box below, so you can go and pick whatever you want. I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please do, and show me some love. Also do follow me on Insta. I am Saviona Fernandez.